West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose is on a two-day ground-level assessment visit post the Murshidabad riots on Friday. Bose has visited the relief camps in Malda, where he met with the displaced Hindus who were forced to flee violence-hit Murshidabad district. Murshidabad saw violent protests over the Waqf law in the last few days.
Yes, I met the family members who are in this camp. I had a detailed discussion with them, listened to their grievances, understood their feelings. They also told me what they want. Certainly, further action, effective action, proactive action will be taken.
The governor stated that the Raj Bhavan's quote-unquote peace room continues to receive a significant number of complaints from affected areas. He also has requested support from the Red Cross to expedite the relief work. The governor's visit is happening despite strong reservations from the state leadership, including Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. In fact, earlier in the day, West Bengal governor addressed the violence-hit areas of Murshidabad and Malda in the state, noting that the issue is persistent.
What has happened there is something which should never have happened. But the scepter of violence is showing its ugly head on and off in Bengal in various places. You know, we have to coffin the cult of violence and drive the last nail on the coffin. That is a task which is necessary to maintain peace and tranquility in Bengal. You know, the dance of death, if I may say so, that is going on wantonly on the streets of Bengal in many places. This kind of cult of violence can never be tolerated at all. We should have a concerted effort at this. All stakeholders have to come together. After visiting the field and sharing the feelings of the people there, the sufferers, the victims, I will certainly have a plan of action to take it in a mission mode, that is to fight against violence at any cost.
And as for the latest updates, today Governor Bose will be in riot-hit areas of Shamsherganj and Murshidabad district to review the situation and also to interact with the affected people. Bose will then head to the other strife-torn places in Dulian, Suti and Jangipur in the district.